Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to speed up any Android phone with this simple tip. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on About Phone. Here you can see software information. Go for it. Now you can see here build number. You have to press here 7 times. Now go back. Here you can see the option of system. You have to press on this. Now you can see here developer options. Go for it. Now scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find here window animation scale. You have to press on this. You have to select here 0.5. That's it. So this is how you can speed up any Android phone with this simple tip. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.